weight. The same nose made of polymer clay would be heavier. Not a lot heavier because it's such a small piece. Now, I've stuck this on. I want you to notice anatomically what I have done here. The laugh lines on a person's face radiate out from the corner, the top of the nostrils. I see some people when they do this technique as they put the nose on top of these lines. So all the laugh lines, all the demarcation of the cheeks goes underneath, but it should radiate from these corners down. So if we look at the photograph of George's face, and this is true on all people, the laugh lines radiate from the top of the nostril outward. So to get your anatomy right, and yes, we are doing puppety, cartoony kind of things, but you have to be sort of remain true to certain anatomical features, so people don't have to kind of figure out, oh, is that his nose? In fact, early on when I would do nostrils on puppets, people would say to me, what are those balls on the sides of his nose? And I was just doing them just because I'd strayed too far from the anatomy and people were not recognizing it. So we have this little flap of fabric left over up here. I am not going to trim it off. I'm going to leave it on for now and put a little just dot of glue along the back of the nose and the bridge of the nose. That little strip of fabric we will stitch down so it blends seamlessly into the forehead. It's already pretty seamless.
Very cool.
But we're going to get that last little bit in there with just a little quick bit of stitching.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.